and welcome to Frugal Gamer. So today I'm actually going to be doing another haul video. The reason why I have a pen in my hand is because I don't know where a knife is. Brandless box. This is going to be a Brandless haul. Move, okay. That's nice. I like that little top aspect to it. Very nice. Okay, a bunch of that. Okay, what the hell? Oh, okay, gotcha, I see. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show is that you can get bath tissue on here. Bathroom tissue is what they call it, but bath tissue, toilet paper, whatever the hell you call it, that's what this is. Brandless is also a brand, surprisingly enough, that where you only pay $3 for every item that you get, and on top of that they donate one meal to Feeding with America. I can't remember. I've had a long day. But the second thing that I got is actually something that I've been waiting for. Hot cocoa mix, caramel flavored. I'm so excited. The reason why I got that is because both me and my husband are not coffee people. We despise coffee. And so basically, it's one of those things where we prefer hot chocolate. But I'm going to go ahead and move on to ground cumin. Yes, you can get seasonings and necessities and drinks in here. It's awesome. But, yeah, so I got the cumin. I also got some chili powder. I do like my hot stuff, so that's why that's in there. As I said, I do like my hot stuff, and part of that has to do with taco seasoning a little bit. Even when I'm not making tacos, I still use the taco seasoning. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but everything in here is organic. The toilet paper is also tree-free, if I could speak. But the next thing that I want to show is wild albacore tuna. Non-GMO, MCS certified, pole and troll, wild caught, 100% sustainable. And no salt added. Oh, wow. Okay, that's not what I thought I was getting, but okay. Oh, wow. They actually put more than one in here? What I'm talking about is these milled flax seeds. Now, I didn't know that milled meant it was going to be ground up. I didn't know that. That makes it a little bit easier to put into smoothies and whatnot. But, yeah, and I actually got two for some reason. I think there was a mistake. I'm not going to complain. But, yeah, so that was just weird. That was a surprise. There's also this mouthwash. Here, I'll go ahead and take it out of the bag. Mouthwash. Fluoride-free, alcohol-free, SLS-free, and the flavor is peppermint. I know you guys can't see my face in a lot of this, but unfortunately I'm running low on time, and, well, I'm sure you guys get it. I also got a can opener. This feels like it's actually pretty high quality, to be honest. So this is something that I've actually been needing. I've been trying to rely on the Dollar Tree for their can openers, but now every time I buy one, they break on me. So, the next thing is Calm and Focus Support. It's a dietary supplement, non-GMO. ashwagandha root, and leaf extract. And that's pretty much all that's in here, I guess. I got this to try and help with my depression. When it spikes, I can just take one of those and hopefully it'll be all nice. The next thing I got was cotton swabs. Now I got cotton swabs because we ran out quite a bit ago. It's less than I would want, but it'll do. There are only 2 more items. So, on to the next thing is virgin coconut oil. Organic, unrefined, and cold pressed. Non-GMO, made from fresh coconuts. Non-hydrogenated, gluten-free, vegan, brand tax-free, etc., etc. And then the last thing that I have is actually this. And that is extra virgin olive oil. Organic, cold pressed, no preservatives, and it's a product of Italy. And there's no sodium in it, so I like it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a like if you did. Leave a like if you want to see more of this, of these kind of hauls. And let me know what you thought. Sorry for my cats in the background. But hope you have a great one. Bye-bye.